Alright, hello, this is Alex. I'm going to be completing my challenge 2, which is on my reflection of my presentation 1. So overall for the presentation, I did alright. Obviously, I do need to work on some things, and I will definitely improve them on my future speeches. The strongest part of my delivery section, I would say, would be my volume level and my clarity of the words that I spoke to my audience. The strongest part of my content would have to be my introduction. I feel that I had an attention getter and I had some background, but I definitely need to clarify on my thesis. The biggest challenge of my content would be staying organized and having a clear conclusion. And then the biggest challenge of my delivery would be making sure not to have a lot of fillers. I say a lot of ums and a lot of likes, but I'm going to try to cut those out and just making sure my whole speech flows from here on out and having enough proper transition words instead of the ums and the likes. And then also, lastly, making sure that I'm meeting the time requirements. That is another big thing that I struggled with in my Speech 101 class that I took when I was a freshman at JJC. But I feel that I have grown and I have matured enough that I should be able to meet the time requirements, and from here on out that I should make them. All right. Thank you.